Hey everybody, in this video I've got a new set of pool balls. I'm going to polish the old ones and put them away. And to do that we're going to use the Ballstar pool ball cleaner. It does 8 at a time. Turn it on here. And you got the cleaner that comes with it. And they say you put 3 squirts or something kind of liberal with it on the little cleaning polishing pad here. And I'll load up the solids. And to start it here, we got a little dial, and we'll just go to start. And you see that it goes one direction, and it runs all the balls against the little polishing pad. And then it'll go the other direction, and the little gray thing will cover it, so it's not applying any more polish, it's just actually going to polish. And I'll skip ahead here to when it reverses direction. Alright, now it's going to go the other way, and it'll actually take the polish off. You just notice how the pad gets covered here, so it's not applying any more polish. And I'll skip ahead to when that's finished. Alright, and then you can already probably see the difference here. Then last step would be to take a microfiber cleaning cloth, and you just rub them all down. I'll do that real quick here, and you can already feel the difference, how slick they feel compared to when they went in. Alright, so I got them all wiped down, and you can very clearly, even under the light here, see the difference, how shiny the polished ones are compared to the ones that haven't been done yet. So I think it's a little bit pricey, but it works very well. And I've had it about 5 years, and still going strong. So I guess I'm gonna do the other half off video. Get the idea, I'm sure. But any questions, comments, leave them in the comments, and that'll do it for now. And we'll talk to everybody later.